Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic and Mankind Father's Day beauty box. So this is a little bit different for me today because this is like a beauty box that I won't be using. Like, it's not for me, it's for like a man, of course. So this is a really lovely beauty box for like the special man in your life, whether it's like your father, your uncle, your brother, boyfriend, husband, whoever it may be. Yes, this is a really lovely box for them. So I'm excited to show you everything that's inside. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button down below, and if you like and enjoy this video, then give it the big thumbs up. And if you would like to support my channel, there is a little thanks button down below as well, where if you click that, it'll help me get new products for my channel to review them for you, and you know, things like that help me to grow my channel, get new equipment and just different things like that. Like, yes, I would really appreciate it if you hit the thanks button. Okay, so this is what the beauty box looks like here. So it's like a big box like this, a big square box. It says Mankind on the front there, and it says perfect for the special man in your life on the front here. And there's 11 luxury grooming products inside the box. So this is what it looks like. The products inside are worth £134, and it's available right now on lookfantastic.com for £50. We get this leaflet inside which tells all about the products, so this will be useful for him to look through and see how to use the products and different things like that, especially if there's someone who's not really into, you know, a lot of beauty products and things like that. Then this is a little good guide to kind of tell them how things work. The first thing that's inside is the American Crew Pomade. So this is kind of like a wax product. Yeah, I'm sure pomade is supposed to be a little bit better than wax, or like, I don't know how these really work, but my brother uses pomades and waxes and different things like that, so he'll definitely know like what to do with this sort of thing. Yeah, like, so I'm gonna probably give this box to my brother, because like I don't think I've even seen my dad use moisturizer before, so I don't really think this is really a box for him. But my brother, he will definitely use all these products, so I'm definitely going to give it to him. But anyway, this is the pomade here, and like this is like a shiny pomade, because I know you can get like matte ones. I do have a matte one myself from like Way, which I apply usually on here, like on like more like evenings out and things like that, just to kind of get rid of little flyaways and different things like that. But of course, a guy uses this to kind of more or less style the hair, and it has like a nice shiny finish to it, and it smells really nice as well. So I'll just give you a little rundown on this. It says it provides excellent hold while remaining pliable, excellent for the slick back look or rough textured high gloss style. Yeah, so that is the first thing that gets inside the box. The next thing inside the box is this from Grum. This is their gentle moisturizer, and this is good for sensitive skin. It says, so it's a lightweight fragrance-free moisturizer that provides daily hydration for those with sensitive skin. It's cruelty-free, vegan friendly. This smells really nice and fresh. It says it's a lightweight, fast absorbing formula which helps to minimise the look and feeling of dry skin, while antiseptic chamomile helps to lessen the appearance of redness and blemishes. Okay, so this is going to be a really nice moisturiser for the man, and yeah, really cute little bottle. Next thing inside is this Menu, like I really like the name of that, this Menu daily refreshing shampoo. So I don't know how this smells. I want to kind of open it up and smell it. Oh, really nice and fresh, like super like spa like, and yeah, very shower spa and just very refreshing. Like, I like the smell of that. So it says it gently cleanses and refreshes the hair and also adds moisture to the hair as well. So this sounds really good. Like, the bottle of it is very kind of like masculine, you know, like square, simple, masculine. Yep. Next thing inside this box is the Elemis Cool Down Body Wash. So I love Elemis products like for myself, so like I know it's going to be great. I have like an exfoliator that looks very, very similar to this, and that's a really nice exfoliator, but this is obviously like a body wash, so it's a little bit of a gentle gel, and it says it's a recharging, refresh and reviving body wash. It's got magnesium, arnica, birch sap, and it cleanses, soothes and invigorates the skin. So yeah, this sounds like it'll be really, really, really nice. Should I open it? I don't know if I should open these or not. Like, I'm literally just going to give it to my brother afterward. This sounds like a really nice product. I know how it will smell actually, because Elemis has like that type of like spa type smell that all the products have, and like I know, like when I smell, like I know it's Elemis from the smell sort of thing, so I know this will have a similar smell to all the other products. And yeah, a real lovely brand, like a great skincare brand. Next thing inside the box is the This Works Pillow Plus Pillow Spray. That's it right there. And this is similar to the one that like we get in like the beauty boxes and things. It's just like a lavender scented pillow spray that's supposed to help you get a better night's sleep. You spray it on your pillows and it basically knocks you out once you spray this. It'll be interesting to see how a guy likes this, because like women love like these pillow spray things and that for nighttime, but I don't know about a man, so that'll be interesting for him. Next thing inside is the Bulldog Natural Deodorant. So this is interesting. Like this is kind of like a roll-on idea. I thought at first this was going to be like a stick, you know how these stick ones that you get, that like a cream bar type one, but it's not. It's actually like a roll-on idea like that, but it says it's a natural peppermint and eucalyptus deodorant, and it's crisp and invigorating scent, and yeah, it smells nice and fresh, you know. Yeah, smells nice. It's especially formulated to deliver 24 hours of odor protection. It contains a prebiotic extract from chicory root and uses 100% natural fragrance with notes of peppermint, spearmint and eucalyptus to leave you smelling fresh. That looks good. Next thing inside is the Myo Body Motivating Revitalizing Gel, which is this here. So I really like this brand. I use a bunch of this brand's products. I really do love them, and they're kind of like liquid yoga is one of my favorite products from them. Basically use this on your legs, your upper back, neck and shoulders. It's a pre and post workout, so if your man's into that, then this will be a good product for them to kind of like help soothe all the muscles. This is actually a really good brand for like, you know, muscle like and aches and things like that, so check out the brand just in general if you haven't checked them out before, because they are actually a really nice brand. And then also inside is this Medicaid Resurface Radiance Cleanse. That's it right there. And this is a brand that I've just started like getting into myself, like for like, you know, the women's side. So this is a resurfacing AHA and BHA mangosteen cleansing gel. This smells really nice and kind of orangey and lemon scented. It says it gently exfoliates and buffs away dead skin to reveal a smoother and softer looking skin. The next thing inside is the Molten Brown Protecting Vitamin Lip Saver. So this is kind of like a little lip balm, of course, filled with a lot of vitamins to help protect the lips. It's also got honey, beeswax and vitamin E inside. It'll keep your lips looking and feeling conditioned whatever the weather is. I haven't actually seen anything else from Molten Brown apart from like their body washes and their shampoos. I didn't even know they did like lip products and things, especially not like a man's lip product, so that's interesting. I'll need to kind of look you know, a little bit more up about Molten Brown, because I only really know about those products. But anyway, the next thing inside the box is the Cerave moisturizing lotion. So this is like a little mini guy here, and I assume that you could use this basically, obviously you could use this for your face, because I know they're specialized I think in face, but you could use this as a moisturizing, because the moisturizing lotion is a little bit lighter weight, so you could maybe use this or he could use it all over like the body. I know it's like a little small guy here, but anyway, we have like the moisturizer here for the face, so I suppose it depends like which one he prefers. There's a little fragrance as well from Floral Street. It's called Black Lotus. This is it here. I'm not sure how it smells. There's not really a lot in there, so I'm not really going to spray it because I'll keep it, you know, let my brother use it sort of thing. But anyway, like, I can kind of smell it a little bit through, you know, just be kind of doing that. I can kind of whiff it a little bit, and it smells a little bit kind of like fiery or spicy, but not too spicy. It is a rebellious scent to inspire your wild side, oriental and woody. So yeah, it smells quite nice. There is actually another fragrance inside the box, however I don't have it in mine, unfortunately. I'm a bit gutted about it actually, because I seen an advert out for it the other day in the telly, and like when I knew Look Fantastic were sending me this box, like I knew that fragrance was in here, so I was like, oh, that'll be interesting to smell, and I was sure that my brother would like that scent. However, it's not in this box, but it is the Mont Blanc Explorer Eau de Parfum, so I hope you guys will get it in yours. It is like a 4.5 ml, whereas this little one from Floral Street is just like a I think it's a 1.2 sample. This is, yeah, whereas so the Mont Blanc one's a little bit bigger in size, so I hope you guys get it. Like, I was pure searching all the way through, you know, the stuffing inside the box, like, you know, I was searching through to make sure like it wasn't just, you know, buried deep inside here, but it wasn't, unfortunately. So that's everything inside this beauty box, and like, I can't really tell you my favourite products inside the box because also I'll not be using them for myself, but like, I don't see why not really, because like all these products you could definitely probably use on, you know, yourself, like as a woman. So if you like the look of these, then obviously buy it for yourself, why not? Really great gift for yourself or for the man in your life, for father, brother, whoever really in your life. If you are interested in the box, then I will leave it down below in the description box for you. I will leave a link to it. It's worth £134 and it's available right now on Look Fantastic for £50. That is it for this unboxing. I really hope you liked and enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.